United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, Article 248, duty to provide information to the coastal state, states and competent international organizations, which intend to undertake marine scientific research in the exclusive economic zone, or on the continental shelf of a coastal state shall, not less than 6 months in advance of the expected starting date of the marine scientific research project, provide that state with a full description of a. the nature and objectives of the project, b. the method and means to be used, including name, tonnage, type and class of vessels and a description of scientific equipment, c. the precise geographical areas in which the project is to be conducted, d. the expected date of first appearance and final departure of the research vessels, or deployment of the equipment and its removal, as appropriate, e. the name of the sponsoring institution, its director, and the person in charge of the project, and f. the extent to which it is considered that the coastal state should be able to participate, or to be represented in the project.